It's a new 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA. GLA is everything you need in a compact SUV, like flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, and everything you want in a Mercedes-Benz. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.